Dear Heavenly Father.
Not choosing is still choosing.
I want to say I hate that they
Staying
killed
safe
you like that.
costs you.
I promise you, if I ever get a
Taking
chance, if
risks
y'all ever
costs
forgive me
you
for my
comfort.
sin, really, I
Doing
promise
nothing
you.
costs you.
I did how I feel, I promise you.
Life will
Like
take
God,
something from you.
hey, Judy gonna be mine.
Your time, your energy, your comfort. You can't escape paying these prices, but you get to choose what you're
I
paying.
think the stress, I'm depressed.
What's worth your fear,
I
your
think the
effort,
stress, I think the stress,
your passion.
I'm depressed.
Do the best staying sane.
I think the stress, I think the stress, I'm depressed. I think the stress, I think the stress, I'm depressed. I think the stress, I think the stress, I'm depressed. I think the stress, I think the stress, I'm depressed. I'm depressed. I think the stress, I think the stress, I think the stress. Was feeling the stress. I think the stress, I'm losing depressed. Cause when was the last time experiencing happiness? Kunini heads, mina sengiqala nokuhluleka kakuningi ngikhulela but still yasifanela abazali nabo bayangiqedelela ngicela ukubuyisela isikhathi emuva mntana nawe ungiphisu ngizithethela bami abazali because really mina ngazi ngaba nomzali kanti akushiwo ukuthi every child deserve a parent but see okunye ngikubonile is that not every parent deserve a child. Mina ngikhule ngalazi uthando lwamama, ngikhule ngalazi uthando lwababa, angifuni ukuhamba mangaphathi. I think the stress, I'm depressed. Angaze ngaba i-favorite kamama or umama, wala le ngoma ngiyakhala but ngiyaza kusenandaba intwana nawe soyizoba sharp. Angikhona ukulala, angikhona ukuhlala, ngicabanga nokufa kwami. Kaze kuyoba njani, bangaka bayokhala khona ngiyacapha abaningi abazojabula but lo wami umlilo kawo zose wathipha lempilo ngizoyiphila ngale mizwa mina fele ngizoyizwa vele kunzima ukuphila ngapha nabangani bayajika sekele yasipina angikhona ukubona ukuthi ubani wamampela yo kunini ngizama ukubaleka ngibhala le ngoma I hope nawe uzonglalela lalela. I think the stress, I'm depressed. I think the stress, I think the stress, I'm depressed. I think the stress, I think the stress, I'm depressed. I think the stress, I think the stress, I'm depressed.
Dear Heavenly Father. I want to say I hate that they killed Jesus like that. And I promise you, if I ever get a chance, if y'all ever forgive me for my sin, really, I promise you. Like, that's how I feel. I promise you. Like, hey, Judy gonna be mine.